Hey everybody, we just got in from doing some grocery shopping again. Had to pick up some apricot preserves for the sauce. And anyway, been rocking along about 45 minutes here on the green egg with the pork roast. About to open it up. I got my thermometer right here and we're going to check it. The ideal temperature is supposed to be about 162, 163 internal temperature. Oh, it looks so good. Got everything bubbling there. And we're going to stick the thermometer in and see where we're at. Most people, when they do pork roast, they get it too done. And anyway, since I got that steam going up underneath there, it looks like we're going to be just about right on the money. We're already at 165, and so yes, we are done. So I'm going to shut everything down and come back and get it. Hope y'all are having a great day, because we are.